Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make Windows 11 run faster using 3 simple steps. First, we will adjust the performance settings. Go to the Start menu and type Advanced System Settings in the search bar. Open the option that says View Advanced System Settings. In the window that appears, find the Performance section and click the Settings button. A new window will open called Performance Options. Select the option that says Adjust for Best Performance. This will turn off some visual effects that slow down your system. Click Apply, then OK to save the changes. Next, we will disable apps that start automatically when you turn on your computer. Right-click the Start menu icon and choose Task Manager. In Task Manager, click on the Startup Apps tab. You will see a list of programs that open when Windows starts. Look for the apps you do not need at startup. Select one and click the Disable button in the top right. Do this for any other apps you do not need to run automatically. This will make your computer start up faster. Finally, we will turn on Storage Sense to help clean up temporary files. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings, click System on the left side. Then click Storage. Find the option for Storage Sense and turn it on. This feature will automatically delete unnecessary files, freeing up space and helping your system run more smoothly. You can also click Configure Storage Sense to set how often it runs and what it cleans. By following these steps, your Windows 11 computer will feel faster and more efficient. Thanks for watching.